Hey guys, it's Josh Shaner. I'm going to review the reading for this week, pages 76 through 103, I believe. So reading that, I'm just going to reference my notes a little bit here. I think the biggest thing to start with is kids just get so kind of paranoid about being fast at math. They see some people in their class doing these problems quickly, and they think that they need to do it quickly as well, and they get frustrated pretty easily when they can't. A lot of them are embarrassed by using their fingers to count, which they shouldn't be. Most people do, or counting it out in their head. So the fluency is just not always just being fast at math. It's learning what the quickest way for you to break down a problem is so that you can solve it quickly. And if that's breaking down 7 plus 2 or 7 plus 3 is 10, and adding 5 more to get to 15, that's the best way that works for you. If counting on your fingers works the best right now at an elementary level, that's okay too. It's not just memorizing answers, it's understanding how numbers work, breaking down numbers to get to numbers that you understand, that you can piece together in your head easier. So what it looks like using strategies to solve problems. Again, that's whatever works best for you. There's multiple ways of figuring out the answer to a question. It's finding out what the best method is for you, and using that route consistently, thinking about the numbers, not just guessing, thinking how they piece together, adding them up, and explaining your thinking so that you can come to the quickest result possible, and then making sure it's not just quick but accurate. So what does 8 plus 7 equal? Again, we went back to adding 8 plus 2, getting to 10 is easier, and then adding 5 more to get to your answer of 15. Using numbers that you already know to solve your problems. You can still solve problems if you forget a fact. It's okay if you don't remember all the math facts. I forget them a lot too. So just going back to what you know to try to figure out the problem helps with harder math later. It makes more sense. In the classroom, you can talk about how you solved it and listen to other strategies. How did someone else come up with something different, and how they solved their problem? And having the class try those different ways to see if they can find a better way, or if what they're doing is what works best for them to get the correct answer, to solve problems in a smart, efficient way, not always quickly, and to solve problems in more than one way, and then understanding the thinking so that you're not just trying to be quick, understanding what you're doing so that you can piece together larger math problems as they grow older. Thanks for watching.